Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got yet another mystery box bag. I think this is a mystery bag. It's in a bag. So I'm really excited to open this, and this is something that is pretty much the same thing that I've been doing on my channel for a couple weeks now. It seems like this is just the time for like lucky bags, mystery bags, all sorts of things. I just could not pass this one up. This is from Ofra. I don't know that they've done any mystery bags in the past. If they did, I totally missed it. But first off, this bag is super cute. So these went on sale for $35 and they were guaranteeing $85 or more value. So I'm really excited to open it up. So first off, let's talk about the fact that I again have next to no makeup on. I was actually just about to run out to the gym, and then this package arrived and I was just too excited, so I wanted to go ahead and open it with you guys. So I am kind of postponing the gym just a little bit, and I'm gonna go later. So I put on just a little bit of makeup, and I actually think I'm gonna run out and do some errands before I go to the gym now. So this kind of worked out. So let's just dive right in. I'm excited to see what we got. I don't have a ton of Ofra products. I mainly have a few highlighters, and I think I have 1 or 2 liquid lips. So I have a lot of things that I could get that I haven't tried yet. The first thing I see is the Ofra Cleanse It Off. It says you love your glam, but you also love taking it off. I'm not a huge makeup wipe person. I usually prefer cleansing my makeup with an oil or balm or something to kind of break it all down, but I do occasionally use wipes, so they will come in handy. This looks like some type of eye mask. It says get chilled out. It's got all these like little beads in it. I guess you wear it with the like soft side against your eyes, and this is just like cooling, so I'm assuming you could put it in the fridge. I will definitely put this in my little mini skin fridge and try this out. It's like Orbeez or something. We have a little notepad. It's a heart, so it's kind of Valentine-ish themed. Okay, so this is a mini liquid lip in the shade Tuscany. That's what that looks like. Okay, so there is Tuscany. That is a pretty color. It's just such a tiny little liquid lip. Okay, so this looks like a full-size liquid lipstick. Okay, this one's really pretty. So this is a full-size liquid lipstick in the shade Pasadena. Ooh, yes. This is very pretty, and this is definitely a color that I will wear a ton. So that is Pasadena. I have a makeup fixer. It says light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. I want to say this is newer for them if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, yes.
This spray is like intense, but it's still fine. Ooh, I really like this. I might have to stock up on a larger one. This one's 2 fluid ounces. So I have a highlighter, and I believe this is one that I don't have. Okay, so this is the shade All of the Lights. Ooh, this is very pretty. Okay, very excited that I got this one because it's not one that I already have, and it's definitely very wearable for my skin tone. I'm gonna put a little bit on because I don't have any highlight on. Okay, I was actually trying to like diffuse that a little bit. Okay, well, no denying that one is blinding and beautiful. Okay. So overall, I'm really happy. So again, I got the mini setting spray, a full-size liquid lip, full-size highlighter that's gorgeous. We got some makeup wipes, a mini liquid lip. We got a notepad and an eye mask, and then this really gorgeous Dusty Rose bag. So I think it's a really good value. I would definitely buy another mystery bag from them if they came out with others. And I really like the assortment. If I knew that I was going to be getting different things, I'd probably order another one. So I am really happy with this bag overall. I feel like I got great things. I got colors that I'm going to love and use, and this highlight is obviously popping. I definitely want to order a full size of that setting spray too, because it is super nice. I feel my skin feels so much nicer now, and my powder kind of melted in, which is what I like. All right guys, we got one more thing to take care of before I end this video, and that's our dad joke of the day. Let me know, are you guys getting tired of this already? I'm still enjoying it, and I think it's something just fun, gets you in a good mood, laugh about it, or think that it's ridiculously idiotic, and then move on. So our dad joke of the day: why did the coffee pot file a police report? It got mugged. Okay, so here is our dad joke of the day. If you would like to screenshot that or share it with a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching this mystery unboxing. I swear that in the next few days we're gonna have some different content on my channel. I know it's been like mystery box, mystery bag, unboxing, whatever. So that's it for now. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't checked out my Jeffree Star mystery unboxings from the past couple of days, definitely go do that now because they do both have a giveaway inside the video, so you can enter to win some goodies. So make sure you check that out before you go. Thank you so much again. Make sure to subscribe, leave me a like if you do enjoy these types of videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.